Brother Genuine Cartridge. LC2013PKS is a Brother Genuine 3-pack of color ink cartridges that produces exceptionally high-quality prints. Includes one cartridge each of cyan, magenta yellow. Seamless integration. These professional replacement color ink cartridges create vibrant color prints, engineered to work in seamless unison with your Brother INKJET printer. For use with Brother INKJET printers, MFCJ460DW, MFCJ480DW, MFCJ485DW, MFCJ680DW, MFCJ880DW, MFCJ885DW. Top reviews from the United States. Don't gamble on an off-brand. I have been using Brother printers for many years. They work very well. And they last. I believe that's because I don't use aftermarket ink cartridges. I did try that once, and the result was not good. OEM ink. This is my second Brother printer. I bought cheap ink for the first one and it only lasted about 3 years. Second one has had only OEM Brother ink used in for about 5 years old. I guess Brother is right when they say to use only OEM ink.